Welcome to this video on the Relational Blueprint. We will explore how to solve the leadership deficit and rebuild relational infrastructure in a hybrid world. Office mandates often misread the root causes of employee isolation. Research shows that remote work itself is not the culprit. Rather, the issue is under-designed work experiences. Loneliness is an organizational design failure, not a geographic one. Proximity in open-plan offices offers no immunity if the quality of relationships remains poor. Three hidden forces compound to create systemic connection debt: efficiency maximization, a lack of reimagining work during digitization, and occupational burnout. We must consider the AI paradox. While AI can enhance collaboration, substituting human touchpoints with chatbots accelerates isolation and burnout. The costs of connection debt are staggering, affecting organizational performance, limiting boundary-spanning innovation, and significantly impacting individual well-being. The Relational Infrastructure Framework shows that the challenge isn't choosing between flexibility and connection. It's building both through deliberate design. Pillar 1 focuses on engineering deliberate connection into the workflow, using tools like virtual commutes, structured pair sessions, and purposeful in-person gatherings. Pillar 2 involves redesigning hybrid models based on task-to-medium fit, matching the right communication medium to the specific activity type. Pillar 3 is about empowering middle managers as architects of the employee experience, ensuring they have the support to foster psychological safety. Pillar 4 suggests deploying technology and AI to amplify, rather than replace, human collaboration, moving away from siloed chatbot use. Pillar 5 emphasizes reinvesting in high-impact gatherings. Face-to-face experiences are essential for building the social capital that sustains virtual performance. Finally, we must embed connection into our performance systems and organizational identity through metrics, distributed leadership models, and a shared purpose. This maturity model contrasts the location-centric organization with the connection-centric organization, highlighting the shift towards strategic flexibility. In conclusion, the future belongs to organizations that prioritize human connection alongside flexibility. Thank you for watching.